All right, guys, as we head into this weekend, we have not one but two areas of concern we're watching for possible development. That would be Franklin and Gert, short for Gertrude, if we do go through the weekend and see those two named storms there. First one here in the eastern parts of the Caribbean, just north of South America. This one has about a 50% chance in the next 5 days of developing to either Franklin or Gert, whichever gets there first. And then our secondary system that's looking a little more healthy, way out there in the Atlantic right now. This one's got an 80% chance of developing in the next 5 days. And as we put the track on this with different computer models, each line you see here is a different computer model, usually this far out. They're all over the place. We call this the spaghetti plots because it kind of looks like a bowl of spaghetti when they're all over the place. But this is very consistent. All of the models bringing it off towards the west and eventually towards the Leeward Islands and maybe even towards Puerto Rico as we get to the middle to end of next week. Very far out in the future. No need to worry about it now. We'll certainly watch it as it goes through the Atlantic in the next few days, though, and if it does develop. So today here closer to home, warm and humid. An isolated shower may flare up this afternoon and evening towards dark, but otherwise a minimal shower risk for this upcoming weekend. No need to cancel any outdoor plans. I don't think we're going to see any widespread rain here. A hit or miss shower or two throughout Saturday and Sunday. That's about it. But then a rainy pattern does work in here as we get back to work and camp or school early next week. Monday and onwards from there, we're going to see pretty unsettled weather here lasting through a good chunk of the week. You saw clouds this morning move on off towards the east. Some clearing out there now. And as we get some more heat and humidity building throughout the day and a cold front approaching from the west, that may kick up a few isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm. 86 in Newport News, 81 Currituck now, 81 in Chesapeake. We're at 88 in Williamsburg, 83 in Virginia Beach, 82 now in Elizabeth City. Also, the dew points back up into the 70s in a lot of spots, so we're feeling it out there. We're back to where we were back in July when it was hot and humid almost every single day. As we go through Futurecast here, there's that flare-up shower storm I'm talking about. As we get towards that evening commute, then things kind of quiet down. Clouds in the picture overnight as that front approaches, moves on through, and then sags to the south. May kick off a shower tomorrow, especially in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia, Virginia Beach area. But then that clears off to the south. We bring in some drier, cooler air for the remainder of the weekend. And I think we'll see a fair amount of sunshine as well. Not going to be a huge deal weather-wise in terms of any rain. 88 in Norfolk today, 86 in Chesapeake, 87 Gloucester, 92 Williamsburg, 83 in Cape Charles, and in northeastern North Carolina, middle 80s for you. Tonight, dropping to 73, warm and humid and isolated showers possible. And there's your weekend outlook. About a 20% chance at most of a few showers, particularly on Saturday, 86, and then behind that front, we drop into the lower 80s on Sunday. Rain chances do, however, increase big time by Monday, and it looks to stay that way at least through the middle of next week with on and off widespread rain showers here.
Okay, see what happens. At least it's pushed off into the week instead of the weekend.
Exactly.
Yes, that's a good thing. All right, thanks, Tim.